Hello, as you can see, I'm back. I've just finished 4 months renovating this new little house of mine. I've spent far more time and far more money than I ever expected trying to sort out all these problems and such like, but that is now all over and I've now got something special for you. Now, I get lots of people contacting me, asking me, how do I become an artist? And they show me lots of wonderful drawings and they ask, how can I make my drawings perfect? Well, one, you can't make your drawings perfect. There's no such thing. And two, there's much more to becoming an artist than the ability to be able to draw. It's the way you think, the way you feel, the way you act, all sorts of things. So I thought I'd put together a series of videos on how to become an artist. What is actually required in the way that you work. So that is something to look forward to. The first video will be coming soon. I hope to see you then. Okay, cheers!